What the f... Oh! R.I.P. bro. Yo, nice pink RTR. Yeah, you know Sloaney rides? That's my cousin.
It's like Sloaney's bike.
I was about to say, that's like the same bike. All right, we're back in Miami. We're at the Starline World ride out this time. The boy Tito is hosting it. He's going around the country doing a couple of these. I knew it was gonna be a big ride out, but I didn't know it was gonna be this big. There might be more than 120 people here.
So it's not time yet. It's not time yet.
Pimp down. Pimp in distress. Yo.
Go. Get out, come on. Yo, come on, bro, chill. Adrian. Go, pedal.
You okay? You good? I didn't recognize, I was just recording. I'm like, oh, he's going for a long time. All right, next time you do that, I got you.
Yes! Come on!
That's not bad. Look at that city, look at that water. It's the gas boys. Woo! Oh! gas boys are out. He wants to have a battle? Electric versus gas? You don't want this smoke. Oh my God. You good, bro? You good, bro? You okay? I got that on video. Like, couldn't be better. But that sucks, dude. I saw it coming from, like, before it happened, but I couldn't do anything. They were too far in front of me. And you turned and he was going towards you, and I'm like, no, 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 and then fucking hit you.
I just drop in and just smack the lip. Whoop-ah! Drop down. Snap. Ah!
That is a clean Model S. Yo, Sloan, this kid's pimping your style right now, heavy. On the pink RTR with the supermotos. Nice. What the Yo, a phone just fucking hit me. Oh, oh! What the fuck was that? Yo, this ride out's out of control.
Oh, my phone.
R.I.P. bro.
Oh, yo, it's broken. It's broken.
Gotta go. This shit is literally like full cutting off.
Let's go, let's go. A phone flew down the road and hit me. So my friend's bike broke. It just cut all power and he can't ride it anymore, but we wanted to go anyway because the ride out got way too sketchy. There were cops everywhere, and there was probably like 200 kids. I saw 2 crashes. We were just ready to go anyway, but now I gotta make it back to my car.
This definitely takes the cake for the craziest ride out I've been to so far. Subscribe if you want to see more like this, and drop a comment down below on what you want to see next.